Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to set multiple wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy A56 lock screen. Let's get started. Long press an empty area on your lock screen. Enter your password, pattern or fingerprint to unlock. This opens the lock screen customization page. Tap Wallpapers in the top left. Then select Gallery. Choose up to 15 photos for your lock screen wallpaper and tap Done. To check your selection, tap Items. Remove photos with the minus sign. Add new photos with the plus sign. Explore filters for different looks. Once your customization is complete, tap Done. Now, each time you lock and unlock your Galaxy A56, you will see a different lock screen wallpaper. That's it for this quick guide. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.